class 10 students, those having advanced maths under your Seva board, we are solving some important questions for your board exams. And today, these two questions we are taking. This is your arithmetic of integers exercise question number 6 and question number 7. So at first, question number 6, find the remainder when 100 power 100 is divided by 101. As already we know congruent modulo concept. So in case of congruent modulo, you can take any integer, it can be positive or negative. Just you think that if we divide 100 by 101, so one time let me give 101, then it is negative 1. That means remainder cannot be negative. But in case of congruent modulo concept, any negative integer you can consider. That is when 100 you can say congruent to negative 1 modulo 101. This can be considered because if you subtract negative 1 from 100, that becomes 100 minus negative 1, that is equal to 101. This is divisible by 101. So that's the definition of congruent modulo. So what we can say, that 100 is congruent to negative 1 modulo 101. Only this much concept you have to use here. So if we use here, you can write 100 is congruent to negative 1 modulo 101. Now you see, if you get such type of number 1 or negative 1, then it becomes easier questions. Then whatever is the power, you can raise the power. So if you raise the power 100 to the power 100, and you see as 100 is your even number, so negative 1 to the power 100, that is also congruent to modulo 101. This will give you 100 power 100 congruent to, as it is even integer, so it will be positive 1 modulo 101. It means if you divide 100 to the power 100 by 101, your remainder is your 1. This is your answer. That's why remainder you can say as 1. Now let us see this question. In this question, you have to find out again remainder when this series of number is divided by 15. If we see, then you may feel that it's a very difficult question. It's not like that. Just you think factorial concept is clear to all of you. Factorial 3 plus so on factorial 50. Factorial 3 means product of 3 natural numbers 1, 2, 3. Factorial 50 means 1 into 2 into 3 into 4 into so on up to 50. That in short we are writing factorial 50. Now just you have to observe by what number you are dividing. By 15. Let me show. Factorial 1 is 1 plus factorial 2 is 2 into 1. Factorial 3 is 3 into 2 into 1. Next number is factorial 4. Let me write here. Factorial 4 is your 4 into 3 into 2 into 1. After that, what number comes? Factorial 5. Continuously numbers are coming 1, 2, 3, 4, so on up to factorial 50. Then factorial 6 plus factorial 7 plus so on up to factorial 50. Now let me write here. Fact 1 is your 1, 2 into 1 2, 3 2s are 6 plus, and if you multiply this, that product is your 24. Now you have to be careful from factorial 5. Factorial 5 is your 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 3 is there, 5 is there. So 3 5s are 15. So it means factorial 5 is a multiple of 15. Factorial 6, definitely it's a multiple of 15. Why? Factorial 6 means product of 6 natural numbers. So if you take the product of 6 natural numbers, that will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 up to 6, 3 coming, 5 coming. So 15 is present there. So likewise, so from factorial 5, rest of the numbers, each and every number is a multiple of 15. So in place of this, you can write 15 into some constant, some integer k belongs to say any natural number. That means this part is your multiple of 15. That's why I have written 15k some natural number. Now take the sum of this. 30 plus 3, this is your 33 plus 15k. Now the word reduces to this. Question is, what's the remainder when this series of number is divided by 15? Now you think here that what's the remainder if this is divided by 15? And if you divide by this by 15, it will give you remainder what? 0. And 33, if you divide 33 by 15, remainder is what? So mentally it can be calculated 2. 15 2s are 30, remainder is your 2. So that's why in this case answer is your remainder is equal to 2. So this is your answer. I hope it's clear to all of you. Thank you.